How to turn off videos you may like notifications on TikTok Easy Guide. Are you tired of TikTok sending videos you may like notifications all the time? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn them off in just a few steps. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the three-line menu at the top right to open Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap Notifications. Here, you'll see different types of alerts TikTok sends you. Now, look for the option videos you may like under the Push Notifications section. Tap the switch to turn it off. Once turned off, TikTok won't send these recommendations anymore. While you're here, you can also turn off other notifications like likes, comments, and live recommendations if you don't want extra alerts. And that's it. Now you won't get annoying videos you may like notifications on TikTok. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.